This video explains how to buy shares of MF International Ltd, a manufacturer and industrial solutions provider listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MFI. This is educational content only, not financial advice. You need a broker to buy stock. We use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before placing an order. Open the platform search and type the ticker MFI to locate the listing. Make sure the result matches MF International Ltd before proceeding. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure it is the correct share. Click to invest, enter the amount you want to buy, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before the purchase completes. Once executed, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform used as an example.